Hello, today we are going to talk about Dialog 2 by WaveArts. Dialog 2, it's a plugin that function for cleaning up the recording of the voice, spoken voice, dialogue editing, and everything that has to do with basically talking. In fact, the plugin is called Dialog for some reason, I guess. Dialog 2, it's a sort of Swiss Army plugin because it's got all the fundamental features that has to do with cleaning the recording of the voice. So as you can see here, it's got de-hum, denoise, de-plosive, de-esser, 10 bands graphic equalizer, a compressor, and a limiter. So we're gonna go one by one with all the major functionality. With my voice recording that I recorded in different places in my apartment in order to spot the problem and to fix it. So the first things, it's denoise, which is probably my favorite feature. So this is my voice, and I recorded next to the window.
Okay, so this is the test number 1. My window is open, and there's clearly sound coming from the street. We can hear some car passing by, and
so as you can hear, there is some car passing by, as I said. So denoise, it's basically one button function. It's recognizing where's the noise and it just eliminates it. So let's play again, and I'm gonna activate denoise.
So this is the test number 1. My window is open, and there's clearly sound coming from the street. We can hear some car passing by.
So as you can see, the noise, it's already eliminated the noise. So let's just isolate the noise for a second. So it recognizes already. So basically, you isolate the noise, you press learn, and then you enable the plugin, and it will eliminate the noise. So really good for the denoise. It passed the test. The next one, it's de-esser. So de-esser, it's for removing the sibilant sound of the S. So let's play the example without the plugin.
All the sound with the S. Superman, sacrificial, sature, S like super. Slurp the soup, which is trauerfer with a T.
Wow, man, I sound like Eminem in this one. So let's play with the de-esser on. So
all the sound with the S. Superman, sacrificial.
Let's just isolate super.
So
as you can hear, it's reducing the amount of the S. It's not totally removing it because the S is for suppressing the S sound.
Sature, S like super.
Let's go to super here.
Super.
Okay, let's isolate the word super. And also you can monitor. You can monitor the single band isolated, so you can catch where the sound is sitting in the spectrum frequency. Also, you can try different presets in order to get you going. The good things about Dialog 2, you have a lot of presets that you can just get you going, and then when you find a similar preset that works for you, then you just twist the knobs in order to adjust it properly. So the de-esser, it's also pretty good. Let's go with the de-plosive. So de-plosive is for all those P sound, when you talk and you say
and people in power pretending.
Usually, the microphone picks up the sound and it's not really pleasant. So let's play de-plosive with the plugin off.
So pop power.
Okay, pop power. Let's play with the plugin on.
Pop power.
As you can see, it's suppressing it quite a lot. So let's try the preset.
Pop power.
Yeah, much better.
Pop power.
You can also monitor.
Pop power.
To see where.
Pop power. pop power, pop power, pop power.
Yeah, so it's reducing it properly, and then you can add that
power,
a bit more reduction.
Pop power, pop power, pop power.
Yeah, much better. So also the deep load is really effective. So the next function, it's compressor and equalizer. Let's try the compressor first with the plugin off.
And we're gonna just try to run the plugin over my voice, and we're going to try to make some
and we're gonna enable the compressor
on
now.
The equalizer and also the compressor to check the.
So yeah, as I'm enabling, I can already feel that it's compressing the voice a little bit when it's too loud, and actually when it's too low.
And also we can feel that winter is coming as the temperature is lowering.
Yeah, so basically the functionality of the compressor is to reduce the voice when it's too high and to put it up when it's too low, so that it's sitting in the same decibel range.
And also we can feel that winter is coming.
Okay, very good. The next one is the equalizer. So let's put the equalizer on here. So the equalizer has the first things is the brick wall. The brick wall is basically
to make some modification on the equalizer and also the compressor
high pass
to
and low
check
pass.
The level of my voice with this plugin.
And you have also different slope, so that is not
to
too
make
harsh.
Some modification.
And also the equalizer has 10 bands that you can just double click on one and
to make some modification on the equalizer and also the compressor to check.
And I can feel that when I'm raising the frequencies up, it's bringing out the harmonics very well. So it's a really good quality compressor compared to many others that I've tried.
To make
so
some
it's
modification
really bringing up all the harmonics. And actually this compressor, I think it's ideal to do dialogue grading, which is removing the resonant frequencies of the voice. So let's try like this.
To make some modification on the equalizer and also the compressor to check the level of my voice can be improved.
You can reduce a little bit and open the width. So, you know, I actually done another tutorial on my channel with the plugin that has to do with removing the resonant frequency. It's called Suit 2. You can see the card here above. And it's basically that's the only functionality of that plugin. The last functionality is the limiter. So basically the limiter here.
The level.
You know, when the voice is too loud, the limiter is hitting it and reducing it to 0 decibel. So let's put my voice super loud.
The compressor to check the level of my voice can.
As you can see, the limiter is hitting it and it's making it lower it down.
The compressor to check the level of my voice can be improved with this plugin.
And you can also set up the gain of the main output. So, you know, all in all, I have to say, Dialog 2, it's a sort of cousin of RX8 from Isotope. But what I really like about this plugin, it's, well, first of all, the price, it's 164 euro. You can also download the demo to get yourself an idea from the website of WaveArts. And, you know, it's, you know, as I say, it's a Swiss Army knife. So it's one plugin that has all the main functionality for cleaning up the voice. And I will definitely use the Denoise and the equalizer more than anything else. Well, also the de-esser and the de-plosive are really good. And, you know, because I work in sound, I work in sound design. I do a lot of dialogue editing in film. And, you know, definitely gonna opt out for this plugin a bit more than probably buying a RX8, which the price is much more different than this one. So yeah, Dialog 2 by WaveArts. Do your dialogue editing and your cleaning up the voice recording. And thanks for everything, and see you on the next one.